Our phone to change them.
So, check it out, guys. Car looks a little bit different today. That's because Marky Mark took my engine out. So, there's my engine. There's the engine I got from Houston, minus a few parts. We got to take his flywheel off. So the transmission that was on this car is now on Frank's old car. But Houston needs that flywheel. We'll take the flywheel off of this car, off of this engine, and just put it on there. It's the exact same thing. Flywheel's a flywheel. And we're gonna start getting this baby transferred over, everything off of here. So we shall see. Yeah. And so it begins, you guys. You're on the board.
It's on the board.
Yeah. You gotta go back. There you are. So the disassembly of this engine begins now. Yeah, I'm a little bit bummed because right now I gotta pay a little bit more money to switch everything off of this engine onto that engine. And I wasn't really planning on that because I was expecting to get a full engine. And now I gotta buy a whole gasket kit for this engine. I think that's like 600 bucks or something. And I might have a damaged cat, which I didn't think I had to worry about before. We'll have to look into all of that. We're gonna start tearing this baby down and see what happens and how these engines switch over. And there's a couple things that we may have to do because the STO has this oil sensor right here and that one doesn't. So this is like an Evo engine. That's a 2015 or 2016 engine. It doesn't have some of that stuff. This is all titanium internal, so it's going to be a little better motor. But we got to make sure all the parts fit correctly. And that's what's going to start right now.
SEG only fast. How many times do you get the tire? Consider for the time lapse, I end up in there randomly just fucking. Necessarily pull left or right, they will grab it in every direction. It's fine tuning. Even on both sides, it's just a 30-second and the caster. Well, make sure we take a picture, which if we don't.
Nights, man.
Hey, does that count as eye contact? It's the brown eye.
Yeah. He's gay now, whether he wants to be or not. You know what's cool is we got it on video, so he could do it over and over and over.
We're gonna show his kids, his wife, his family.
No, he's keeping that for the bathroom. Nobody ever said they were easy to get out. But it looks like it's coming out. There it is, guys, the entire wiring harness for the engine compartment of a Lamborghini Huracan. Boom, right there. That's it, left side and right side, and happy days. So what's next, Chief?
Trans and intake.
Trans and intake. Hopefully those clutches are still in pretty good shape. Okay guys, so it has just been brought to my attention. Look down in there. We are missing a valve. I'm going to do this on my cell phone because I'll get a better shot of it. But, okay, so you guys, there's our valve and the valve stem. And it was in the intake. So it backfired out through here. How does that happen?
It happens because there's a spring and some keepers floating around the top under the valve cover right now. You gotta have a valve paste to hold it in position.
So we sucked the valve, dropped it down onto the piston, and then that piston shot it all the way up into the intake. Didn't do any damage to this rail, did it?
Not on the plastic, but
yeah, not the plastic.
The heads.
It's just that part. So we're probably going to get a new top end, is what it is. Yeah, see, just another reason why I really needed all the other parts off of that engine. Kind of bummed that that engine got taken apart and wasn't really as advertised, but hey, here it comes. So we're gonna end this video here, you guys. We got 3 feet of snow coming, and I'm going up to my mountains, up to my cabin in the mountains, while these guys very carefully and expertly rebuild my Lamborghini, and we'll have it back in a week or two. So
Expertly.
expertly, there you go.
He's in the best hands.
Hey,
All this guy does is build GTR.
it's in a lot better hands than if I did it.
Don't forget about the R.
Yeah, the R. we still, oh yeah, we're still going here, you guys. Check it out. Doing a full time lapse of this engine swap, tear down, whatever you want to call what we're doing. Burying our backsides to it. That is a high pressure fuel pump. We got two nice new ones over here. Don't know what they decide to use, but we do have two new ones over here. So anyway, I got about an hour and a half drive to get home, and I'm going to leave and beat traffic and get out of their hair. So what do you say? Hasta mañana. No, hasta next week. And see you later. Goodbye.
Bring money.
Bring money.
Bring lots and lots of money.
Bring lots of pizza with pork.
No, money. Money. We'll deal with our own pizza.
Yeah, pizza.
You just want the money.
You work for us now.
Want pizza.
I have been working here. Where's my Mitch? I get paid. Come on, I did an oil change partially here the other day.
And it's not even leaking.
And it's not even leaking. Fuck. And Alex Choi even helped me mess it up a little bit. But between me and Mark and Alex, we got my oil changed on the STO. And you guys see, here's Alex's car right here, getting dialed in. This is the fire-breathing dragon beast. But anyway, we'll see you guys when the car's probably getting a little bit closer to being put back together.